Fox, this explanation of one of the explanations, one of them, not going deeper, but this is one of the reasons why I'm so upset with you. We have generations of kids rising up, and this, what you've allowed, and of course, they talk about the free exercise clause, right? And we'll go into it a little bit. These schools teach that their teachers can't lead the class to prayer. Now, I'm not saying that you can force a kid to pray, but if the president, that's the head of government, can call the nation to prayer, and why can't a teacher call the class to prayer and not forcing people to pray, the students, but have the freedom to call the class to prayer, when in Dearborn, the Islamic schools are doing just that, and they're allowed and not messed with. Now, as far as these schools that refuse to teach our kids cursive so they cannot read our building, our cornerstone of America, the Constitution, they would have to see versions of the Constitution that, in fact, they manufacture. When you read on the Bill of Rights that militias are not even on it, that we indeed can't have militias on it, then you know that we need to fix our schools and not let globalism not undo our history, so we can go directly to the authentic papers that indeed gave us America. There's a lot of reason with Common Core they have all these steps to do basic math that people that with intellectual people know, the more steps, the more possibilities of mistakes. So they're teaching our children wrong, when in fact, you guys, this is the main reason, when you guys, Fox, allow big tech and in collusion with schools to tell our children, you have research homework to do. You have to get online. And they go to a Google search. I want to learn about man-made climate change. Poof! All the materials there to brainwash them. And they're not learning intellectual, they're not learning to find the truth. They're learning indoctrination, right? They just want to hurry up and get done with their project. The first link that comes up, hell, with this collusion with the deep state, or with big tech and the school systems, with this collusion, that in fact the varying scientific discoveries, like with radiocarbon dating and different other political scientific issues, are not presented, and therefore is pseudoscience. But we are all for these algorithms to find these lists that don't teach our kids to find truth, but instead just copy pseudoscience in the reports.